So we got the current time, and today is my day off from work. It's Tuesday. I'm gonna show you what I do. Let's get into it. Okay, after that delicious breakfast. Oh, stupid shoes tripped on these. I look like crap right now because I just woke up not too long ago. So we're just gonna go ahead and take a shower and change. Looking comfy. We got a bunch of pile of clothes over there by that chick. By the little Guitar Hero drum set, whatever it's called. I have a basket, but I don't even use it because I'm too lazy. So let's just get all this cleaned out. Got a bunch of crap. Still gotta put it inside my closet. There you go, it's the finished product. I went ahead and actually got started on editing a video that I'm gonna be uploading. It's about meal prepping. Just gonna get that done. Let's take a look around. It feels pretty good. It feels very good to actually clean your room. You feel a lot more energetic. It's just like bringing good energy and good vibes. We just go ahead and keep going with this, and then we'll see what we do after that. So I got a lot of that done. I get so into it that I just have to like get a big portion completed, because that's just how I am. My personality is just like go ahead and just get started on it and actually finish it. Should be done literally today. We're gonna go ahead and take a break out of that. I'm gonna get some food. Feeling really hungry right now. It's time to eat. So after eating, I felt like I wanted to stretch. I don't even remember the last time I had a full body massage. It's been a long time. I used to get them like once a month, and I haven't had any time really because I've just been working full time, and it's just like trying to find the right time to go and get a massage. It's just pretty difficult. Also just to work along the schedule of the person that I go to. Gotta loosen up. Gotta get some blood flow in there, you know? Gotta expand the muscles. Doing this one, rolling a lacrosse ball is actually super amazing. Just relieve the stress on the foot. You're on your feet every single day. You get on your foot, man, you got to give it a massage. It's just like every single body part. Got that video done and actually went ahead, I edited the thumbnail and uploaded. I'm actually on the phone with Layla. Do you want to say something?
Like, comment, subscribe.
It actually does have a YouTube channel, so I'll link it down below again into this video. So you guys should go check out that meal prepping
video that I just went ahead and finished up and uploaded.
So tomorrow in Atlanta, Georgia is the biggest sporting event in the United States of America.
Wow, Casey, I didn't know you came to Atlanta. I guess I should probably stay more updated with my social media. Side note, Casey, if you're watching this, you are the one that inspired me to start doing this. I really love your work, man. I'm working on developing my editing skills. So thanks for putting your stuff out there and of course inspiring all of us. Thanks, Casey. Now that that's done, about to change. Okay, so this looks a little bit more gym apparel looking like, right? As you can see, I like to wear Adidas. I stay rocking Adidas. Adidas pants, the Tyro, these are the Tyro 17s. And then I got some Adidas equipment, Adidas shirt. Hopefully you guys can watch this, Adidas, and sponsor me. So let's go and smash some arms. We got some bi and triceps and some shoulders. Okay, we're back. Look at this. Got a package from H&M. I think I'll do an unboxing video separately. I know what this is. It's gonna be almost my last meal. I think this would make it my 5th. We still got one more after this before I go to bed. But I got my tilapia, some rice, and the broccoli, and the lime here. Let's get digging in. Real quick, is it me or does lime make everything like 10 times better? Just the sour flavor, man. It's so good. Since I've already showered, before I go to work tomorrow, I like to actually trim down the little no hair that I have. And just to get it out of the way, because I don't like to wake up early and then like start shaving. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that real quick. You serious? Wow, dude. Are you kidding me, bro? I used to be a freaking badass at it, like literally middle school time. I'm trash at it now. I'm rusty as shit. But this is just bullshit hacking lobbies too in there. Getting hungry again, so just gonna have our last meal. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Usually how my day off, it's really like. I'm just here at home, of course, just getting some stuff done around here, or of course eating and then working out. Please feel free to leave a comment. I did mention, of course, earlier today that I'll probably be doing an unboxing H&M box that I actually received today. I'm just gonna go ahead and save that for later. But yeah, once again, thanks, and catch you on in the next one.